Today, we're installing the BPS short throw shifter. I'm pretty excited about it. I got it in the mail today. Super stoked. Couldn't wait to put it in. I'm doing it today. I'll upload the video. Well, you're watching it now, but I'll upload it tomorrow. Today. But here we go. So I'm pretty much gonna speed through most of it because if you guys want an instructional video, I'll be happy to do it, because I know you have to like look up the instructions to do this because it doesn't come with them. You know, I've never seen a video yet installing a short throw shifter, but if you guys want a detailed video on it, be glad to do it. But for right now, I'm just gonna speed through it, show you guys some footage of me putting it in, and show you the result. This whole top piece right here is getting removed. And for buying a new car, seeing all this, it's kind of scary, because you're like, dude, what am I doing? Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. Hey dealership I bought it from, hope you're enjoying this. This is scaring the shit out of me too. Check this out. There you go, here we have it. The OEM shifter versus the now short shifter. Le piste de resistance. I want to show you guys the amount of throw it has right now and then compare it to the last one. So here we go. That's the throw right now. And honestly, it's not that bad. It's pretty short, but it never hurts for it to be shorter. It's great. And reverse lockout's nice too. Look at that. All around, guys, I love it. Like, I can't wait to drive with it, test it out. I'll definitely make a video on that, but for now I'm gonna go eat. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.